And here we are again, folks. We're just less than a week away from Easter. And here in the UP, winter is back. So I don't know if you guys plan on going anywhere today, but the roads suck. You know, it's hard to believe that school is canceled. Here we are in the middle of April, Easter right around the corner. Yeah, this is spring for you. So is this going to be it? Is this going to be the last winter storm of the year? Should we be expecting any more snow in 2014? Or will spring finally come? So I think what everybody needs to do now is think spring. Wherever you are in the world, have a great day today. From Upper Michigan, this is Jason Asselin with UP News and Video.